June 2025, officers were dispatched to a residence to provide a civil standby. Their role was to ensure that a man could safely retrieve his personal belongings and his dog from a home he had recently been told to leave, without the situation turning into a confrontation.
So, do they know you're coming?
I didn't say anything. I think he was too afraid to tell them they were coming because she was starting to let his dog out or something. So we haven't said nothing yet.
Look, man, I don't want no drama or any of that.
All right, you got your ID with you?
He's just trying to get his stuff and get his dog.
I understand. So you haven't talked to them at all?
No, their daughter messaged me, and I was at work, and it's just all over because, man, I'm trying to get to work and shit. You know, I gotta work and everything.
But yo, he's not asking. He's asking, have you talked to her about coming here?
Not about coming here, no.
Okay, so she doesn't know you're showing up
I guess not.
at all. How long ago did you move out?
I actually came back last week, and today I just left. I went to work, and she told me to just grab my stuff and leave, and I'm done. So.
Oh, this morning she told you stuff, grab your stuff and leave?
Yeah.
Okay, so you haven't actually moved out yet then?
No.
Okay.
But it's this game of cat and mouse basically where they tell him to leave and then he goes to leave and then they like force him to stay. This happened like 2 or 3 times already. He's just trying to actually get it to happen, and we feel like the president police officer would actually.
Okay, how much stuff do you have?
My dog and probably some clothes.
Dog and some clothes? All right, well, let me go make contact first so they know what's going on. And then, up until now you live there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Let me go make contact first so that we don't have any sort of ruckus go on, and then I'll motion you to come down, so.
What began as a routine civil standby quickly escalated. The man admitted he hadn't informed the residents of his arrival, and tensions grew when officers attempted to explain the situation at the door. Soon, arguments broke out, with family members refusing entry and confronting the officers. When the daughter struck an officer, the encounter spiraled out of control, leading to physical resistance, threats of taser deployment, and multiple arrests.
How's it going? Dossman's?
Huh?
Dossman's?
Yep.
So, let's get this stuff.
Oh, really? Okay. Yeah, give me a second. If you want to come to the garage.
Okay, so I'm on motion for him to come down here so he can get his stuff. I'm going to stand by. And then, I guess Lillian got an OP against him, so I'm going to serve that too.
Okay, cool.
All right.
Hey, I'm going to open up the garage if you want to come.
Yeah, that's fine. Alrighty.
That's her wall. I didn't do shit.
Yep. Yeah, he's just here to get his property.
You want to give me mine? You can come in the house. So you have a warrant. Thanks. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Alright, well, he lives here, so...
No, he does not. He does not live here. On the address they put next door, you don't live here. No one's coming here.
Okay.
This could have been done civilly, no.
That's why I'm here, to do
You're
this
not
civilly.
coming in the house.
Okay.
We don't need you here. Go.
So, he goes here for a civil standby, so he can get his stuff.
He's not getting his shit. He has my shit. He's not getting... No, do not. No.
What do I...
The shit that's in your car. That shit.
Yeah, I told you that.
Yeah, and you can get bitches off running. Sorry, we don't got it. All you had to do is be straight up with me.
Right? You need to straight up.
Don't.
Stop.
No.
You put your hands up. Turn around. You're under arrest.
Don't arrest her.
No, you did this, nigga. Don't fucking touch me.
Now you're
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Get on the ground, you're getting tased. Get on the ground, you're getting tased. Right now. Now.
Stop.
71 City Small Units.
Stop, man. What the
On your arrest for aggravated battery to a police officer. Get on the ground, you're getting tased. Hey, go. I don't care. Get on the ground, you're getting tased. Now. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. You put your hands on me and you're getting tased too. You put your hands on me, you're getting tased too.
Get off my property now.
No! Get out of my face.
Get out of my
jail too.
Holy shit.
She's pregnant.
You're under arrest.
She's
You're under
pregnant.
arrest.
Save her.
You're under arrest.
I'm going.
Get out of here, you piece of shit.
You guys are too. Low life motherfucker.
Dipshit.
71 units can downgrade. Oh, she's got a felony coming now.
No,
She hit me.
baby, man.
She hit me. She's got a felony coming. She did.
Grabbing her.
She did.
Yo, whatever, stop.
When I went to intervene for her hitting you,
It's fine.
she hit
can hit
me.
me all she wants.
She's got a felony coming. So
No, man.
No, we're not.
No, dude. This
Yeah.
is bullshit.
We're not
You ain't gonna
yelling.
sit there and grab her up. She's got my baby, dude.
Okay,
I ain't gonna
he
be
didn't do
doing
nothing
this
to the
shit.
kid. Okay, he was trying to protect you. Stop.
Trying to tase her?
Take a second.
well,
Calm
when
down.
she puts hands on, then
Stop.
yeah.
You need to take a breath. We are out here right now. Okay, he was just trying to do his job. You need to stop.
Hell nah, bro. You're not tasing
Alright,
somebody that's
so-
innocent, man.
And you've got an she's got an OP against you, so you're going to get served with that.
Why haven't I been served? That's what I'd like to know. It's
I don't
been
know.
a week, man. And y'all haven't served me shit.
It's not his. You are being unnecessarily.
I've been told the rules and all that shit for that shit, man.
Okay.
Okay, so maybe. Who knows, dude? You just need to calm down.
So when I talked to you the other day, I don't know if it was either issued or they didn't tell me it wasn't. Okay.
What?
I not want that shit happening.
Okay,
man.
but it's not your fault.
Caleb.
Listen, stop talking.
It's
for a
not
second.
your
I'm
fault.
talking.
She
He did not do. She came after the cop, dude.
No, are you serious?
yeah. And
Miguel.
probably they're all three going to go to jail. Her and her parents.
Dude. What the f?
She started that. And they're all getting charged.
They also had like 25 animals.
Okay. Whoa. So they denied entry, and we were getting ready to leave, and he's like, I'll do this later. He walked away. She went and hit him. I went to intervene. She hit me, and then mom got in between. So her mom and dad went in the house. So mom and dad got an obstructing charge coming, and she's got an ag bat to appeal.
Fantastic.
So and then they closed the garage door on me. Yeah.
Right?
Well, hang on. So they're not going to answer the door.
Well, we're going to knock on it. And if they refuse, then that's fine. But we got to try. So
we have a domestic ag bat.
we got a domestic because she hit him, right?
Yeah. Well, it was.
Did she hit him?
She hit him, but I went to
Fantastic.
it was more of a. And I went to intervene, so that nothing else escalated, and then she hit me and knocked my mic off my vest. So is 61 still out at the?
I think he was on his way.
Well, we'll wait for him if he's on his way.
So she hit when he was leaving. The daughter did. I can't remember her name. Then she punched Hancock. And then mom and dad took her and ran inside, locked everything up, and shut it up. So he wants both of the parents for obstructing and her for domestic battery and egg bat to appeal. But they're not. He didn't think they're going to answer, which I would agree. They're probably not going to answer. I'm going to go see if they witnessed anything. Spencer's checking for cameras here real quick, and they called 911. So we're going to get statements from them before we try to make contact with them. Yeah. So, yeah, their whole family's getting arrested except for the kid. 131 on that one. Okay, let's come over here. Let's stand over here. So, help me understand what's going on. I wasn't I was not here, obviously. Okay, so all I get is my officer calling for units in what it sounds like an emergent situation. Okay, so help me understand what happened in your driveway.
Okay. Came to get stuff.
Okay.
They were coming up to the garage. My daughter said he's not coming in the house. The officer's like, well, he lives here. She goes, not according to his address. On his license, it is a Belleville or whatever address. He is not coming in unless you have a warrant.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Starts talking some stuff, knowing it's going to off, which, again, you guys are here without somebody from my daughter's mental health. Why?
Okay,
If you
listen.
guys are responding to my house. Okay,
Just
anyway.
let's focus on talking
So-
about what's going on.
And then so she went to go after me. I was telling her, stop, stop, stop. I knew what she was going to do. You know, she hit him, then the officer was coming up to her.
Saying everything like you should.
Yes, and all that was doing was setting her off, and
Okay.
then he pulled out the taser and was going to tase her. I'm like, she's pregnant, and so I'm in front of her to make sure she didn't get tased. I'm sorry, yes, I did intervene.
Okay.
I'm not going to let my daughter get tased with my grandbaby inside of her.
Okay. So let me make sure I'm following. Okay, when did the garage door get closed?
When they were standing up there, and as I was holding her so she would not get tased.
Who closed the garage door?
Through it all, I don't know. Because
Okay.
we kept trying to let the officer know she's pregnant,
Okay.
please.
But we can agree that the right move isn't blocking or shutting the garage door. It's understanding that she has just committed a crime.
Her mental status is not good.
Okay. We're not
No,
trying
but
to
I'm
bum rush or
talking
anything.
about, but right over here, that's why she did it, because her mental status, and I know that's not an excuse. I know that's not an excuse, but we already tried to tell him
I
just
get it.
leave,
But
and they
listen,
wouldn't leave.
It doesn't work that way. He has by court order the right to respond. He was here long enough to be, and we're going to talk about that too. So listen.
Explain this. It doesn't matter what address is on his license. If he's lived here more than 2 weeks, he's an established resident.
Okay, so
He has
then
rights
what-
to live
So-
here.
so listen,
He's
the-
gathering his stuff. There's an active OP. He's no longer allowed back
Right.
here. The situation is done. What had to be accomplished today was him gathering his things, and that was done. He's not allowed back here.
That's what
he
the
could be
OP
arrested
does.
if he came back here.
What about getting her stuff? And that's what she was trying to ask the
Hold
officer.
on. But here's the deal. We can't get to that if we're screaming not allowing somebody to come in when a court order says that he's allowed to come get his property.
Then-
So if she,
then
but listen,
we'll go
Alicia,
get it.
but listen, and we can work on that. But if is engaging and pushing and not shutting up, which is what she's good at doing, we can agree.
Yes.
Then she needs to be by you guys removed from the situation and taken inside,
And that's
and
what
then
I
we
was-
can have a civil conversation.
I
You know what I'm saying? So she
trying.
needs to stay away from
And
it.
then just like,
I get it.
honest to God, he
doesn't have
doesn't
that much.
have anything. I'm
Close.
the one who clothed him.
Well-
No, he's coming over
It
to
doesn't matter if you
But-
buy
He was-
his stuff. It's still his clothes now.
He came over here for the sole purpose to set her off even more.
He called us ahead and
They
said,
did it
"This
the
is
right
what
way,
we're
how the
doing.
OP said
This
it.
is how. This is what I need to do." He had a friend come pick him up. I mean, he did exactly what he was supposed to do. There was an officer here with him before contact was made. That's spot on to what's supposed to happen. And this is going to go off script for just a minute, but I'm going to give you just a wee bit of advice. Just a little bit. I don't think boyfriends need to move in anymore because I've been here for several boyfriends and it's never been a good combination at all. I think that's step one in repairing whatever she's got going on. Boyfriends probably don't need to live here. And I know she's got a lot of mental health stuff going on. She's had a lot of trauma in her life. I'm not trying to downgrade any of that. I am very familiar with what she's experienced, but we can't use that as a crutch every time.
Oh, I know. I mean, and that's probably why he brought the cop over here. Because she...
No,
He has to bring
by
the cop
court
by
order.
the court order.
By
So
court
when
order.
I'll explain this.
Does he want to hook her right now?
I don't think we should. If her daughter's threatening.
No, her. Well, so here's the deal. She probably needs to go to the hospital.
That's what
So that's what we're going to have to talk to him.
secure.
If you want to see if we can go inside. Or, I
Let them
mean,
deal with their mess.
All right.
They created that mess.
I'm
Let them
not
deal with it.
disagreeing.
They ran her inside. Let them deal with that.
No, I don't know.
You can do
taking
two
her right
things. You
now.
can write her a ticket for obstructing, or we can take her in. I don't care. I wasn't here. It's not. I mean, it's up to you.
Well, I'm just telling you, she's
wanna put
gonna...
the blame on anyone else
She
besides-
wants...
We're gonna go in there and engage in that. We're not. We don't do that.
Well, I'm just telling you, she's gonna fight every tooth and nail, and you guys are gonna use excessive force, and then she's gonna end up...
We're not even gonna.
He was going to tase her because she was fighting him and he was alone. What do you think he should do?
He sat there and she assaulted me.
He was going to
which
keep
is
justifying.
fine.
He was going, no, it's not fine.
No, but I'm saying...
What is wrong with you?
I'm not saying it's fine, but she hit him once, and then you want to go
And then she hit me.
because you were like right
Yeah,
there in
and
her
yes,
ass,
she
saying,
intervening
"Put
in
your
her
hands
domestic
behind
battery
your
that she was
back."
committing. Yes, she
But-
was under
and
arrest
all
at
you
that
had
point.
to do,
And now
officer,
she's looking at a
is when
felony.
she was saying bye-bye, you could have just stepped off, not keep walking up to her
She's
into
the one that
garage.
ran out to the street.
She
All right?
said bye-bye to you first, and you kept stepping up into the garage.
No, he turned and left, and then she chased
Running his
after him.
mouth.
You can run your mouth. That's perfectly legal.
All right.
Hold on. Hold on. You're not free to go.
How? I'm not under arrest. I didn't do anything.
Actually, you are. You're
How?
under arrest for obstructing. When you prevented me from arresting her. All right. So she's going to have charges pending.
And let's go out of here.
Because I'm not going to let my daughter.
Jail too if he comes out.
Because I'm not going to let my daughter get tased. So I'm under arrest, and I'm like, come on. I am arrested because I stopped her from getting tased being pregnant.
You gotta stay inside. Why don't you get up on the property?
David, don't arrest you too.
Goddamn.
No, stop.
You got an arrest coming too. You got an obstruction.
Stop.
Don't.
Stop, you're hurting me.
Then stop trying to pull away. Stop trying to pull away or you're going to catch a resisting. Stand up.
Hurts.
Then stand up.
I have a fucking heart problem, you stupid son of a.
Stand up.
All right, do you not understand that?
Stand up.
It hurts.
Stand
I
up.
have a fucking device in my damn chest.
All right.
Trying to help, it hurts. It is too tight, cutting off my circulation. It hurts. I'm
Your
not
wrist is spinning
fighting.
around in there.
It hurts. It hurts. Please, I'm not gonna fight. It hurts.
I can see it's loose right from here.
It hurts. It is digging in.
They're not meant for comfort. Have a seat.
I'm asking you, please just loosen it. I'm not gonna fight. Damn. I just want to loose. It hurts right there.
All right. Sit back. Once they get her in and take off, we'll take off. I just want to wait till.
I just want to make sure you come out done.
He doesn't. He's not well. He's not supposed to have any.
Oh.
He says he's not got any. He had his FOID card revoked. I've talked about it a couple of times. This is part of the ups and downs that we've dealt with on every single occasion.
Does that door say insane asylum?
It sure does.
I was trying to be nice and come out and talk with you guys. Can somebody call my family, tell them to take the food off the stove that I was cooking so my house doesn't burn down?
In the aftermath, the daughter was charged with domestic battery and aggravated battery on a peace officer. Both parents were charged with obstruction, and later the husband voluntarily turned himself in at the station. What started as an attempt to peacefully collect belongings ended with an entire family facing criminal charges.
All right. So listen, I'm gonna be straight with you. All right. Okay. Based on the circumstances that took place out there, okay, you're also going to be charged with obstructing. Okay. So we're going to take you into custody, take you in the back, get you printed, get you knocked out. You'll talk to Officer Hancock, get your statement done, and then you guys are going to be released. Okay?
I understand.
So if you want to throw your phone in your pocket for now, put your hands back here. Yep. David, I will say that I appreciate you waiting until you calm down to come up here. Because I know what your temper looks like, and I can tell that you absolutely waited to come up here until you were chill. And I appreciate that.
No problem. I got money in this pocket.
You're all right. I don't really care. You're good. We just gotta.
We're gonna process you. You're both gonna get tickets and out the door.